As women, we've been concerned about the future of our country.
It seemed the White House was going to remain a boys' club for 4 more years.
And then we learned about Sarah Palin. Finally, a candidate our vaginas can relate to.
Just like me, Sarah Palin menstruates,
Lactates, and gets frustrated with math.
And like millions of other women in this country,
Palin has been a sportscaster,
a moose hunter,
a beauty queen,
and elected mayor of her hometown by 909 people.
You try remembering all those names.
But is she ready to tackle the issues facing our country?
Who better to explain gas prices than someone whose husband works for an oil company?
and when it comes to diplomacy, I prefer a lifetime member of the NRA.
So women of America, don't feel left out.
We're back in this thing.
McCain Palin.
Because she's a woman.
And we don't know any better.